Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to get a neon shadow filter on TikTok. Neon shadow effect creates a multicolored neon outline over top of whatever you point the camera at. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can get this effect. Log into your TikTok account and hit the Discover tab. Type in the neon shadow phrase into the search bar at the top of the screen. Find the neon shadow effect in the Effects section and press on it. Now you may click on the camera button at the bottom of the screen and record a video using this effect, or you can save the effect to your favorite section and use it later. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to get a neon shadow filter on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.